let me leave that for now. Let me see if I find time towards the end of the session, or it's a question that I've asked you guys anyway. I want you guys to come up with it by the next class. Let's look at our next concept, a very interesting concept about exterior angles. What is an exterior angle? Who can tell me what's an exterior angle first?
So can I?
Go ahead.
Like if there's an angle ABC as you drew, so it is the adjacent angle of C or an adjacent angle of A or B, and it lies outside the triangle.
Okay, good. Getting close. Anyone with any other answers? Anyone? Let me get to it. There are three triangles over here. So what is he doing? Let me use this slide only. Say I'm drawing a triangle, and I'm naming them ABC. While I'm drawing, I'm going from A to B. Let me extend this line. Then I'm going from B to C. Let me extend this. I'm going from C to A. Let me extend this. Remember our lines and angles topic also? That's where we discussed exterior angle. Now, these are interior angles, and we also know that the sum of the three interior angles adds up to 180 degrees. We also know the proof behind it. Now we're talking about exterior. If this is interior, this is exterior, this is exterior, and this is exterior. Clear? So we have three exterior angles over here. Is this clear? Can I move to the next slide where the properties are written? Sure. So, what's the first property? In a triangle, an exterior angle is greater than each of the interior opposite angles. That means, let's look at this triangle specifically. What is the exterior angle? Angle 4. You guys agree? He's saying angle 4 is always greater than the interior opposite angles. Angle 4 is greater than angle 1, and he says angle 4 is greater than angle 2. How does this make sense? Guys, angle 4 is obviously not acute, it is obtuse, right? This is an obtuse angle, right? And 1 and 2 are acute. Can you see that? 1 and 2 are acute, right? You remember the crocodile jaw, your hands, your palms. I took so many examples to explain acute, obtuse, and right angle. So now we can clearly say that an obtuse angle is always greater than an acute angle. An exterior angle is always forming an obtuse angle. That is the reason it is greater than each of the interior opposite angles. Are we clear with the first property? Do you understand the why behind it? Yes or no? Jaldi. Put in a yes or no. Beautiful. Now, what's the second property? Who can explain the second property to me? Relatively easy. Who can explain the second property? Guys.
An exterior angle and the interior adjacent angle are linear pairs. So we take the first example. So angle 3 and angle 4. So they lie on the same line. So they form a linear pair.
What is the angle of a linear pair? What is the angle that a linear pair forms? Beautiful. So what is he saying? He's saying in the second one that angle 3 plus angle 4 adds up to 180 degrees. That is, they form a linear pair. That's what he's saying. So similarly, if 3 and 4, over here angle 1 plus angle 5 are also forming a linear pair. Over here angle 2 plus angle 6 are also forming a linear pair. Do you see that? So we'll have 3 linear pairs, obviously, because we have 3 interior angles and 3 exterior angles. You guys agree with me? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Beautiful.
Yes, sir.
The third property says that an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. Let me convert
Can
this into a mathematical expression. Angle 4 equal to, okay, let me write it here. Angle 4 equal to angle 1 plus angle 3. Sorry, angle 1 plus angle 2. This is what he's saying. Who can tell me why? I'm interested in this.
Sir, it means that the exterior angle of the triangle is equal to twice the interior opposite angle.
Not twice the interior, the addition of the interior opposite. Now what is opposite to this angle? It is angle 1 and angle 2, right? These are the ones that are opposite. It is not necessary that angle 1 be equal to angle 2. It is not necessary. It can be anything. But the property says that the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. You have repeated this. I am asking why. Can you prove this? Why is the exterior angle of a triangle equal to the sum of interior opposite angles? That is my question. That's what is going to make this interesting. Anyone who can give it a try? Anyone who wants to give it a try?
Sir, I don't really remember exactly, but if we extend the lines P, R, Q, R, then R will be, I think, an opposite exterior angle.
Okay.
So opposite exterior angles are always equal.
Okay. Good try. Anyone with anything else? Anything else that comes to your mind? Chalo. Let's look at this on a fresh slide. Let me prove this to you guys so that you understand the why behind it. Okay, let me take this slide. I have a triangle ABC. What are the three interior angles? Let me name it 1, 2 and 3. Let me extend this. Let me put this as 4. This is the exterior angle. Cool? Everyone following? What do we know? What all can I deduce from here? I know that angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degrees. Everyone agrees with me?
Yes, sir.
What else can I say? Can I say that angle 2 plus angle 4 is also equal to 180 degrees? Remember that this was forming a linear pair?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now, how can I combine these two to prove my theorem? Can I write?
So, angle 1 plus angle 3 is equal to angle 3 plus 4.
Beautiful. So what happens? This gets cancelled? Correct?
Yes.
So what do I have? Angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to angle 4. Isn't that what the property says? That the exterior angle is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles.
Sir, can you explain in a diagram?
So can you, sir, how is angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3 equal to 180 degrees?
I'm really disappointed. I'll be really disappointed in you if you ask that question so as to why the interior angle sum of
Sorry, sir. Just remembered. Sorry.
Remember, I just proved it by just opening those two sticks, drawing a straight line and telling you how it's 180. I took the simplest of proofs. Arna, are you able to now recollect?
Yes, sir.
Chalo.
For two, like sir, I forgot for 2.
Okay. I got scared for a minute. Okay, so
Sir,
yeah,
can you explain the same thing like in a diagram way?
Diagram way. I put it in a diagram way, but the diagram way had to be understood in a mathematical way. It was the other way around for this. So I tried explaining it in this way because we knew the two concepts of the three interior angles adding up to 180 and the two angles forming a linear pair. I thought I'd merge those two. Let me think of some other way of proving this, but for now, let's stick to this. If I get something else, I'll get back to you. Don't worry about that. But this is something I found really logical and simple. Cool. Is the why behind the third property clear to you guys? Why behind this? Is this clear?
No.
Sure. Can we move on? Is everyone clear till here?
Yes.
Sure.